My instrument is on now. I wish to show you how to get to do your orientation at the station setup. So we should go through there. It shows you to determine the coordinates and orientation of the total station. Alright, so when you go through there, you can press that your page button to be able to choose the job you're going to be working on. If you want a new job, or if you want to select from a list, you can press that. Okay, so I will use a new job here. Alright, so you give your job some name, operator, and what have you want to add, descriptions for the job, person operating the instrument at that time. Press continue. So you are now given the option of to choose your orientation type, using resection if you wish. That is using to check your unknown station where the instrument is, using 2 or more known stations. Helmet resection uses the same principle. Local resection, orientation with angles, orientation with coordinates. Okay, so we'll be using the normal resection here. So I have points on the site here that I've already established coordinates with, so we should be using those points. I think maybe if I do the next video, I should be able to bring those points out. Alright, so if you have particular coordinates, you can use this thing's nothing is on height, so you choose your point identity or things of the point, you know your nothings and the height of that point. Then you can then press continue. Else you might want to choose from a list of coordinates existing on your job already, or those are actually the 2 options. The map shows you where the points are on the site. So on the next video, I'm going to use a collection of points I have to set the orientation of the instrument. So let's do the next video then.